I'm Sarah Borkson-Keeter with REIT.com. I'm here at REITWeek 2014 in New York. I'm speaking with Susan Persin, Senior Managing Director for Trepp LLC. Welcome, Susan.
Hi.
REITs have outperformed the broader market so far this year. How do you expect fundamentals to support the industry for the rest of the year?
Well, I think fundamentals are very strong right now for pretty much all property types. Demand with job growth, demand has been very strong. I think that there are some concerns about supply in certain sectors, but so far that seems to be limited. Apartments, perhaps in very high-end residential markets, has seen some concern about supply, which affected their returns in 2013. But so far in 2014, things have been good.
And which REIT segments have had the strongest performance this year? And are there any segments which have failed to match expectations?
So far this year, the two sectors that have had the strongest gains compared to last year would be apartments and healthcare. With apartments in 2013, there was concern about overbuilding and what that would mean, but I think that demand has been stronger than expected so far in 2014, given some concerns in the single-family market about affordability. And on the supply side, so supply has become less of an issue. It is an issue in some of the high-end luxury product in the top markets, though. In terms of healthcare started out 2013 strong, but then weakened late in the year amidst concerns about implementation of the Affordable Care Act. So those concerns have been alleviated and things have been worked out to a greater extent. I think that healthcare has really rebounded so far in 2014. In terms of underperformers, the timber REITs have went from very strong performance last year to one of the weaker sectors this year. And I think that that's because of the affordability issue with single-family homes and concerns about what the future of home building is. Also added to that would be concerns about China. We do export logs to China and what that means for the timber REITs.
And after a slow start in terms of IPOs, activity seems to have picked up lately. What's behind that revival, and do you think it can be sustained going forward?
I think that the strong returns are the first thing that are behind the revival, and I think that companies that are looking to go public are looking for a strong market. The other thing would be borrowing costs. As borrowing costs rise, an increasing number of companies are looking to the REIT format with their advantageous borrowing costs. And I think that, barring some unforeseen shock, I think it could be sustained going forward.
Well, thank you, Susan. And for more news and analysis on all things REIT, please visit REIT.com.